Hi, my name is Brennan, and today I will be showing you how to order your textbooks online for this semester's courses. First, in your preferred browser, you're going to type in minnesota.edu. Once you get to the MState homepage, you're going to click on the top right on your SpartanNet and sign in using your Star ID and password. Once signed in here, you're going to scroll all the way down on the SpartanNet homepage, and you'll see that your classes are listed right here. You're going to click on Buy Your Books. So I am taking courses at the Moorhead campus, and I also have an online course. This process needs to be completed for each campus I am taking my class at. So I'm going to do two orders. First, we're going to do the Moorhead one. So once we get here, it's going to list all my 3 classes I'm taking on the Moorhead campus. First is my microbiology class. You'll see that there is an access code required to have. This means essentially the book will be online along with your assignments and maybe some quizzes up to the instructor on what content they provide within the access code. And it's not available for purchase. You're already charged with that with your tuition, so you do not need to purchase that. There is an optional loose leaf version of the book that is available for sale. If you follow along better, refer back to your textbook in your hands, then I would recommend getting the printed option. I am not going to do that. On my computer class, you can see that there is a digital option of the book or printed. I am going to get the digital version. I'm going to press add to cart. And you will receive an email with the code to gain access to that digital ebook. On my electrical class, looks like I have to get 2 kits and some class notes. All the kits you have to purchase you'll have to buy new. You can't ever buy a kit used. And then you'll also have to pick the kits up in store. So I'm gonna get a new version, add to cart, new notes, add to cart, and then another new kit, add to cart. And I'm going to press on continue checkout. Let's say I needed some school supplies. I need some pencils. So here you go. I'm going to get these big pencils, add to cart, close, and then go to my shopping cart. And I have 5 items in my shopping cart here. Charging begins August 3rd through August 28th, and you can charge anything to your account besides clothing or food. Any registered student can charge to their account. You don't need financial aid to charge. Any registered student can charge. And you can get anything in these sections up here besides clothing or food. So if you need a backpack, you need some headphones, go ahead and browse and search for what you need. I'm going to continue my checkout. And then it's going to ask you for a couple questions up here. If the condition, new, or use of a textbook you order is no longer available, maybe we substitute it. I'm going to say yes, because I don't care the condition of the book, I just need the book. In the event the instructor changes the materials for your course, how would you like us to update your order? I'm going to add only required because this is going to get the materials I need for my class. If we substitute or add materials to your order, what condition would you prefer? Again, totally up to you. I'm going to press used. And then once you're done, everything's in your cart for that, you're going to go to payment options. And you'll have to log in using your school ID, your first name, last name at go.minnesota spelled out.edu. If you do not have a registered account, you're going to click register here and follow along, typing in all the information that you need to have an account. So I'm already registered, so I'm going to get logged in. So I have the option to pick up my order in store in Moorhead or to ship it to me. Shipping is free this semester on all merchandise and textbooks. So I'm going to ship my order to me. And you're going to make sure that your shipping address is right, because if it's not going to get shipped to you. So you're going to want to make sure that's right, and also your billing. If it's not, you're just going to press change it. So I'm going to press continue. Again, shipping is free. And on this screen, the screen is going to default to credit card. When you drop down this arrow, you're going to see an option that says financial aid, agency, and PSEO to charge to your account. So if you're charging to your account, you're going to press that option. If you're a PSEO student, you're going to press that option. And if you're funded by agency, you're going to press that option. And then right underneath that, you're going to type in your student ID number. And your student ID number is 8 numbers. After that, you're going to check the box agreeing that you authorize to charge to your account. And then if there's any order comments, put them in here saying, I might have my mom pick this up, or anything pertaining to like something you would need to comment on. And then I'm going to press submit my payment. It's not going to go through because this is just a test, but after your order has been placed, let's say this has been placed, you will receive an order confirmation email from the bookstore acknowledging receipt of your order. Once your order has been processed and packaged, you will receive either an order is ready for pickup or an order has shipped email with UPS tracking information. So I am not done yet. I still have to order my book for my online class. So now I am going to do this process all over again. So this is my communications class, and it looks like this book is available for rental. Not all books are available for rental. In order to do this, you will have to put a debit/credit card on file to make sure you bring the book back before the rental due date. You will also have to agree to the M-State rental agreement, which is right here. If you do not bring back the book by the date due, your card will be charged the cost of the book, so it's very important to bring the book back at the end of the semester before the rental due date. So I have the option to rent this book, and I'm going to rent it new, add to my cart, and then continue checkout. And then it looks like it's new, it's rented, continue checkout. It's going to ask you the same questions again. And again, those are totally up to you what you press on or click on. And then now I'm going to do payment options. And again, this is where you're going to log in. And I am going to continue to my checkout. And with if you have any online classes, you cannot pick up in store. These will be shipped to your address that you have on file. And we're going to press continue for shipping. And then you're going to have to check this box to say you agree to the rental agreement, which pops up right here. So please read this. And then you will charge to financial aid agency PSEO if you want to charge to your student account. And you're going to type in your 8 number student ID. And then check the box. And here, right here, it's just going to have you put a card on file for the rental. In case you don't bring the book back by the due date, it's going to charge your card. So I'm going to put my card number in. And then put my name in, my expiration date, and the CVV code that's on the back of the card. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to submit a payment, and you'll get an order confirmation email from the bookstore, again acknowledging receipt of your order. Once your order has been processed and packaged, you will receive either an order is ready for pickup or an order has shipped email with UPS tracking information. So now I ordered all my textbooks for my Moorhead classes and my online classes, and now I'm set to start my classes.